to be trying out the Mac operating system. So this hasn't been requested at all, but I still wanted to do it. But the good thing about this is I don't actually have a Mac, so a good friend of mine is letting us borrow his Mac. He's not going to talk in this unless he wants to. But still, let's get on with the tasks. So, the first task is, what time is it? Okay, so according to his computer, which is in Greece, but according to his time, which is not correct for the US, it is 9:32 p.m. Okay, write, save, and open a text document. Okay, so I'm just gonna see down here what wait, what's this? Launchpad, maybe it'll launch something. Okay. I'm not going to go into notes because that might have some personal stuff in it, so I cannot go into his notes. There we go. So, we cannot go into the notes. So we're gonna go back into Launchpad, and I do have an idea of what we can go into. Text edit. So, the new document. Okay. So this is typing on here. There. So, how do you save it? Maybe Control S? No. Yeah, see? So, oh wait, up here. Text edit file. I'm used to that on Windows, but usually in Windows it's like right in here. So file, save. And we're just going to call it, we're just going to save it to desktop. So it'll be right here, so I don't have to go through any of his stuff. We will call it just Mac on TeamViewer. I hope I spelled that right. And we're gonna hit save here. Okay, so reopen it. Okay, so it's right there, and I can just double click on it. Okay, so you can do that, but how would you open it without actually opening it? Costas knows how to, but he's not saying anything. So, but can you give us a clue? What can I, what can I use to open it without opening the actual program? It's a key on the keyboard. How would you do it with a key on the keyboard? Maybe if I just go, everyone. Oops. This is lame. What he said is if I press spacebar, there we go, this is typing on here. You completed that task. Awesome. Okay, so now, calculate 87 times 54. Okay, so we are going to go down to the bottom here. Finder, Siri, Launchpad, Safari, Google. Yeah, you cannot see any calculator on here. So now I'm gonna point. Okay, so we are on his applications here. Okay, so we have App Store, Automator, Blackmagic, Disk, Speed Test, Calculator right there. Okay, so what is 75 times 84? I always change it. Okay, 75 times 84, 6,300. Okay, so I'm just going to close out of it here. Okay, so your next task is to change the desktop background. Okay, so we are going to right click. Change desktop background. How easy is that? Let's go for, what do I like here? I like this one. So, there. Okay, so the final task is to explore the operating system yourself. So we have here, what's FaceTime like? So FaceTime, it's like you have like an iPhone and your Mac. If you have like a different account on your Mac and on your iPhone, you can basically call yourself via FaceTime. Okay. Skype, App Store. So if you do App Store, you can like get all these nice apps like Final Cut Pro, GarageBand, iMovie. Okay. Okay, so boring. Okay, so you actually have not quit the text edit app. What? Yeah, see, it's open there. So how would you actually close it? Window, help, exit, app. So it tells me nothing. Okay. Done. Try right-clicking on it. Like, you can do that in Windows 10. Or XP. I'm gonna hit my version of the command key, which is the Win key, and then... Oh, wait. Okay, so Win key plus Q. There we go. Yep. Okay, so now we're just gonna, like, open Finder here, and Win key plus Q. That can't close Finder, but let's see, we had PowerPoint open here, which is PowerPoint 2016, I'm assuming. So if you hit Win key plus Q, that'll quit it. Okay, thank you. Let's see here. iMessage, what is that? Messages. So it's like FaceTime, but there's no calling. Okay, unless you actually hit call. But okay, so let's go back into. Obviously, I have it. Well, duh. Let's see here. QuickTime. So that's like your video player. You can also like screen record here. Okay. Stickies. Those are like sticky notes. Okay. I meant the Final Cut Pro. Oh, okay. Well, App Store said you didn't. Migration Assistant. Okay, so what that is basically Migration Assistant. It's like, let's say you have a PC here, so like we have a Dell here, and you back up all your stuff here, and you can actually pull it over to your new Mac. So use the Migration Assistant to transfer information data, computer settings, and apps to this Mac from another computer, Mac, Windows PC, a Time Machine backup, or a disk. So basically, we're stuck here. I'm just gonna close out that. There we go. So, so that's basically like backing up like your actual hard disk to your new Mac. Okay. And is there anything else you want to explore? Boot camp, what's that? So boot camp, you know how like you have Windows here? Yeah. So what boot camp is, it's like, you want to install Windows on your Mac. So like, if we see here, we have like a Macintosh HD, and then WD Elements. So basically what WD Elements means is that could be like a Windows partition on the Mac, but he says, oh, it's an external hard drive. I believe him, but still, so that could be just like boot camp. Okay. So you can install it basically on anywhere you want. Okay. So we're just going to close out there. Okay. So, you done? Yep. So your final task is to shut down the computer. Don't do it, but show us how you would. Okay. So, let's see here. Maybe search. Shutdown. Energy saver. There's even a dictionary thing here. So, what's Apple's logo? Oh, the apple. Shut down. I'm not gonna actually shut it down. And then there. I'm not gonna hit that shutdown. But we're just gonna close off the server here. So this will be your shutting down. Okay. So there we go. We just basically shut down the computer. So we hope you enjoyed this episode of OS First Timer USA, and we will see you in the next one. Have an awesome day, people. Bye.